is the mystery behind the life of a servant of God and a gospel singer whose life has been miraculous and full of mystery. According to her mother, he was born as a male child. After a few months, he was circumcised. After the circumcision, a great sign was discovered in his body. Urine wasn't coming out from the top of his manhood, but underneath, which is not normal. Let's hear from his mother.
Wá gbà bí ojú òkè bí okó yẹn kò wá gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ. Ó wá gbà bí ìsàlẹ̀. Ibẹ̀ ni ìtọ̀ tí ń jáde.
The mother called his father's attention to the sign and they were amazed. He was taken to one of the best hospitals in Nigeria, LUF, for medical examination. The medical experts couldn't discover the problem. After thorough examination, the parents were placed on continuous appointment. The doctors wanted to correct it at the age of 5, and they invited his parents to the hospital to donate blood, and his father donated 3 pounds of blood, but nothing was done. Along the line, his father lost his job and relocated to Ondo State, and this continued for a year when the doctor could not discover the cause of the problem, because it is not time for God to disclose the mystery, and no one can find it except he reveal it himself. After the donation, LUF doctors were not able to find solution to the problem and couldn't continue again. His mother also joined his father in Ondo State, as the main reason the sign was there wasn't known to anyone, including the medical officials, and the boy continued his normal life with his contemporaries in the village. When it was time for God to reveal his mysterious power at the age of 14 years, God decided to manifest his miracle working power. Some signs like menstrual pain, breast growth began to show in his body, which was strange as it's supposed to be for a woman. They tried their best to treat the pain and stop the breast growth, but it was a wasted effort till he was 18 years old, when God sent a church member who directed them to a private hospital called Oke Royal Hospital at Ikare Akoko, Ondo State, where God has assigned for his work to take place. On getting there, a scan and test was conducted. When the results came out, the doctor confessed that it was a special case that he has never come across or read about before, that God knows why he made him to be a man. The doctor then said the results showed that he has 100% chance to live as a woman but 0% chance to live as a man. Also disclosed that he can't do the work alone, that he will need to invite more professional hands, that God will work through them. Because it is a mystery, after several operations, he was transformed to a woman, and the doctors couldn't go further. She came back to Lagos on the 2nd of June 2009 and started a new life as a woman. But the menstrual pain continued, which always led them to their family hospital, Al Imam Hospital at Dokpemu, for proper care for some months before the doctor referred them to Ikeja General Hospital. They requested for the case file, and Dr. Oke, that conducted the first surgery, wrote a transfer letter to them, but the assigned department only did checkup and experiment on the case for a year before God sent a helper to intervene. According to the mother, it was the woman that invited some professionals.
It was in research, and I was the leader of the research, because I was the one who invited Adeodu and Akiola to do this, to take care of this Adetoro Ayomide.
To handle the case, they conducted research and even wanted to document it because they saw it as a special case. After everything was perfected, all the doctors established that the case was first in history. According to research conducted, it has never happened before. It was the manifestation of the unsearchable, unquestionable, and miracle working power of God. Everything about this case made it known to us that our God is mysterious and unlimited. The person that was born as a male child is now a grown-up married woman whose life as a gospel singer and a servant of God has been an interpretation of real Christian, directing people to the way of salvation. Transgender has been in existence across the world, but this woman of God's own was first of its kind, which was made, established, and implemented by God. The type of transgender that hasn't been recorded anywhere in the world. It was uniquely made to glorify the name of the Lord and to throw more light to the gospel through Christ-like characters and excellent commitment to the kingdom work. Hallelujah.